The world is a complex place, constantly evolving and changing. Behind every little detail, there's someone making it possible. Behind every moment, there are people working to make it happen. At Cogelsa, we are behind them all. We're working so that each company can efficiently and effectively carry out its business. Located in Barcelona and with more than 100 years of experience, at Cogelsa we develop, manufacture and sell high-tech lubricants and greases under the most stringent European standards and with the utmost respect for the environment and social responsibility. We advise our clients on how to find the right lubrication solution for their needs, including the monitoring of product performance. This means they can work without interruptions and optimize their production processes. We innovate to make sure we always stay ahead of change, posing new challenges and designing new products to meet the needs of the manufacturing industry. The world will still be a complex place, but Cogelsa will help your business evolve and prosper in it. Cogelsa. More than 100 years providing efficient solutions in industrial lubrication.